Hey everyone, David here. Quick question. Have you ever had a great product to promote, but the video part stops you cold? Because filming takes time. Editing is a headache. Hiring someone costs a lot. And even when you do it, the final video still does not look like a real ad. That is exactly why most people stay stuck posting the same boring images and hoping for clicks. But today I want to show you a faster way to turn simple photos and product images into studio-quality marketing videos in minutes. Before we jump in, do not forget to check the links in the description box. I have my full written Showcase AI review waiting for you, along with the full OTO breakdown and any discount offer available. I also share the all-in-one bundle deal if you want the best value. And I include my special bonuses too. They cover different parts of digital marketing, so you can get better results with Showcase AI faster. Go grab those links first, then come back and watch the demo with me. Now let me explain what Showcase AI is in plain simple terms. Showcase AI is an all-in-one AI-powered video creation platform. It helps you turn a single photo or a product image into a professional marketing video, and it does it fast. Instead of spending thousands on video shoots, actors, editing software, voiceovers, or complicated tools, you simply upload an image, pick a style, and let the AI handle the rest. With Showcase AI, you can create talking avatar videos from one photo, so an avatar can speak your message without you filming anything. You can create product avatar videos too, where the avatar presents your product naturally like a real spokesperson. You can generate cinematic product showcase videos, the kind that looks like a polished commercial. You can create AI ad videos that look like studio shoots, perfect for social media ads and short-form content. And you can even make virtual try-on fashion videos and images. Great for apparel accessories and anything you want people to see on a model-style visual. The best part is everything is automated: script generation, voiceovers, avatars, and the final video output. It is all handled for you inside one platform. So if you want to create more videos, look more professional, and promote your products without the usual time and cost, you are going to like what you see in this Showcase AI review. Alright, now let me take you inside and show you exactly how it works step by step.
Showcase A. Hello guys, welcome to Showcase AI. So in this video we are going to check our video studio features. So for the fourth one, which is talking avatars. So there's a two option you can go from the menu or from the dashboard. So basically in this you can create your avatar talking about your product, talking about your brand, anything you can do. You can just simply enter the script audio or record audio and your avatar will be saying that script. So let's check how it will work. So we have added some pre-made AI avatar for you, so you can simply select them or you can upload your own avatar from your local system. Simply go to the my avatar section. Here you can see add your avatar. You can also upload your avatar from here. So let's check how it will work. So simply select this avatar. Here you can check how it will doing his hand motion, anything you can check how it will saying things, because this is the mute video, so you just need to enter the script here, then he will saying the your script. Now it will ask you to enter your product name. You can enter the script according to your need, like if you have any brand, you have any product, so you can enter the your product features, anything you can enter here. Or if you don't want to, simply select on AI writer. Here just simply type about or any topic you can enter here and simply click on this generate, and it will give you the script by AI. So this is the script it will give, and simply click on this apply, and this is the script which will visible here. Now we have upload audio option. If you have any mp3 and .web audio, you can use this. Simply drop your mp3 option here from your local system and you can use it from here. And there is a third option which is record video. You can simply record your audio from here and you can use it on your avatar. Now in the script we have audio option. You can select the voices from the AI and you can also upload your own voice too. We have premium voice, pro voice, and my voice option. In the premium voice and my voice, you You can any voice according to your need. So this is the female anchor, so simply select the female one and click on voice and click on confirm. So our voice will be selected, and now there's a most important process, the generate audio button. Without this you cannot render your video, because you can check how your script will be read by your avatar, how was the voice, you can check here, and then you can render your video. And there is one option called caption style. You can select the caption style. The caption will be visible on your video. You can select any caption style and click on confirm, and this caption will be visible on your video. So it will generate two video, one with the caption and one without the caption. So you can use anything according to your need. So video with the caption or without the caption. So as you can check, our audio is generated successfully. You can simply drag and drop your starting and ending point of your audio, and you can, if you want to delete this, you can simply delete this. If you check your voice is not perfect, you can simply select another voice, and after that all thing will be perfect. Your character, your script, your audio will be perfect. So simply just click on this render video option. After clicking on this render video, it will the process will be ready on the rendering, and you can wait for a few seconds and your video will be rendering successfully. So our video is rendering. So check how our, we have already created one demo video to check how the rendering process will work. So this is how the video will be generated, one with the without caption and the another one with the caption. So let's check with the caption. So you can simply play this button and the caption will be visible on your videos. And this one is without the caption, so video will be not the caption will be not visible here. And now you can simply download this and simply copy this link. And there's one another option, you can simply add a logo on your video. Simply click on this edit button. Here it will give you the option to upload your logo. You can select the position, you can, so basically you can select your position of your logo, you can enter the music, simply drop your logo image, and this is how your logo will be visible here. You can check, we have already added one logo on our video, so this is the logo will be visible here. You can download this and you can simply copy this your video, and you can use this on your social link. So this is how the video avatar will be work, and this is how you can add a logo here.
Imagine creating stunning videos without a camera, studio, or crew. With Showcase AI, one photo is all you need. Turn yourself into a talking avatar. Show your product like it's shot in a studio. Even create AI ads and fashion try-ons instantly. From voice cloning to multilingual videos, Showcase AI does it all. Smart, fast, effortless. Your creativity powered by AI. Showcase AI, where photos become stories that move.
Thirsty but want something truly refreshing? This is Showcase. Crisp and ice cold. Try Showcase today.
When vision meets precision, a new icon is born, sculpted for the future, driven by pure electric power. This is Performance Reimagined.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault. a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resell rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Showcase AI walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Showcase AI and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.